Hi, I'm Taylor from LSP Actions. I'm 8 years old and I'm going to do this lovely, beautiful baby picture from Anna Brandt. I love Anna Brandt. So I'm just going to do Rainbow Wrap Paint Chunky from my mum's LSP Action. So the note comes up with some instructions. I'm going to hit continue, and then you can size it, so where you're going to paint. I'm going to paint the heart here, so I'm going to size it and there, and then you hit enter once you've finished, and then what you do is hit continue again once it comes up with those instructions, and just start painting. Once you doesn't really matter if you go over the edges. I'm going to paint all the material here, try not to paint the baby, and then you'll see at the corner there's some arrows that switches it to white to black. So it's on black at the moment, and black means hide, so I'm just going to paint the edges again. So there's lots of other actions, but I'm not really going to show you them. I'm just going to show you before and after. Thank you for listening to this video. Bye!